Welcome everyone to the Coaster Spot. This is Alex, and we're back at Six Flags Great Adventure for another construction update of Vertical Velocity number 4, filmed on May 1st. Wow, it's May already. But we're back in the sky for the first time in like 2 years. Last time we did one of these was for Jersey Devil, so it's been a while. 3 years. It's been a long time. But we have a fantastic view of Flash Vertical Velocity right there in the middle. One thing to note though, unfortunately, it's all in 720p. SD card failed on me, and you can stream to the phone and save, but it's not as high a resolution as saving to SD card on the drone itself. But if we look in the upper left corner, we can actually see that the tower supports are there. I didn't look there when I rode Nitro. I just looked down at the normal lot, but all 3 segments are over there. You know, this is why you should subscribe to the channel and watch every update, because, you know, some of this construction progress coverage is a little speculation. You know, I have years of following all these construction projects, so lots of just experience of how things typically go. You know, some projects are different than others, but all in all, it really helps me predict a lot of things. But yeah, sometimes I get things wrong, and I will note them, of course, in a future update if I do. Here's the entire storage lot. This is why I really wanted to fly, because, you know, the water is right there. You can go into that little section of water and get really close to that storage lot. So there it all is. Lots of supports, lots to track. Seems like there should be more supports, but really this coaster is only 1,400 feet or so, and it's 172 feet tall, they're saying. China's is listed as 165. I'm not sure what the difference is. They might be counting the topper at the top of the tower support. So, but in the middle there, this is as close as I was comfortable in zooming in with the low resolution. Again, we'll be back very soon with better eyes on it, and maybe the rest of the park, because, you know, things go on that you can see during closed days that are a lot of fun sometimes. If you didn't notice, the liner for Congo Rapids, or now it's known Roaring Rapids, is back in, and that Ferris wheel is looking great. But we can see for Flash Vertical Velocity, more track has gone up behind the station, in the station, and they are starting up into that inland stall with a lot of the supports already placed and everything. And the transfer track area and storage area have also been placed since then. We knew that was going to happen probably on Monday, and yeah, they're moving on it by Friday. I'm assuming that most of that track for the inland stall will be in place. Maybe this weekend we'll actually see that stall completely into place. So yeah, as I said, this is going to be a really quick construction of the coaster. There really is not that much to it. Think about it. It's just out and back twice, basically, with it meeting in the middle with the tower. So it's simple construction, and, you know, they got the best people on site, and they got, you know, Vekoma on site, making sure everything goes in place properly and doesn't get screwed up. So that's awesome to see, and it hasn't been sitting for over a year like Jersey Devil. So that's it. We'll be back again on Friday from the park, maybe again from the air, for another construction update. Can't wait to see what happens. So excited. This is the most excited I've been for a coaster in the region since Sky Rush. I cannot wait. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. This has been Alex.